What's good, everybody? Welcome to the next episode of Outsiders Universe. This is a crazy one. This weekend started Friday afternoon. We went and picked up a 240 S14 from my buddy Gone, and it was supposed to be for me, but my boy Tyler needed it more, so I let him pick it up. So we get that back home Friday, and Saturday morning we're supposed to be going to Virginia to pick up me a mystery car. Saturday morning rolls around and we're trying to find every excuse we can to not go to Virginia because the car's 6 hours away. So we finally found a good excuse. A little bit of fishing, a little bit of canoeing. We wanted to add some excitement to the day. My neighbor had purchased this Scion TC for too much money at an auction, and come to find out the car had rod knock. I told him, let me take it, see how long the rod knock lasts, and if it does blow up, then we'll just have a shell of a car and try to sell it like that. So the rod knock didn't last long.
Oh, buddy! Get out! Get back, man! It's on fire! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Oh shoot! Go get fire! Shoot! Go. Yeah. Awesome.
So that was definitely a crazy experience with the TC. It definitely had us shook for a second. We were a little concerned that the whole car was going to burn to the ground. But the only thing that really burned up was a portion of my grass. We call this the super drift course right here. We come around the corner drifting so fast that we set the grass on fire.
Oh, that's good. This is fun.
Okay. Well, $1 million, maybe a 50 cent idea.
Dude, that is Iron Man outfit.
This is pretty good.
How you feeling?
That's pretty good.
Is it waterproof?
I'm feeling like a waterproof.
Never wet.
At least up to the wheel was.
Flexing on a real.
So much for the pants.
Alright, take my phone. I'm going in.
Never wet. So much for never wet. Always wet.